Puppities here. Today we're going to be making a super easy salmon with mixed vegetables. We're going to do this in under 10 minutes using the Instapot. Let's go. 2 cups of baby potatoes cut in half. Now if you're interested where I got this steaming basket from, I do have a video. I will link it in the details of this video. So you want to put your potatoes inside your steamer basket. We got 1 cup of sweet peppers, and we're going to cut those guys up. We got 1 cup of broccoli. They're already cut. And we're gonna put those guys in the steamer basket as well. Now I'm using salmon fillets. We're gonna go ahead and season them with some salt. And some black pepper. And some rosemary. Now you can add more flavor if you'd like by adding whatever seasons you like, but I'm just keeping it really simple. And we're gonna add some lemon slices to each one of those salmon pieces. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this trivet inside. I'm gonna give it a spray with some coconut oil non-stick spray. I'm gonna go ahead and load in my potatoes. Give it a little bit of extra seasoning on there, some salt and pepper, and why not a little bit of rosemary. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my broccoli and sweet peppers. I'll put in my salmon pieces that I've already seasoned up. Just kind of get them all in there, and I'm putting them skin down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of water. We're going to pour them onto the vegetables to avoid rubbing off any of the seasonings on the fish. Then I go ahead and seal my Instapot. Make sure that my pressure release valve is set to close. And I'm going to hit steam. And I'm going to do it for 3 minutes. Now we're going to do a quick release for this. So as soon as you actually hit your 3-minute mark, we want to go ahead and do a quick release to ensure that we don't overcook our fish or overcook our vegetables. Alright, we're going to go ahead and release our steam. We're going to make sure that that red pin is down before we open our Instapot. There we go. And that's pretty much it. You got beautiful salmon with some small baby potatoes, some sweet peppers, and some broccoli. Simple 10-minute dish if you include prep time. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and leave comments and feedback if you'd like to see anything on this channel that I haven't already done yet. Thanks.